is your impression on Chinese noodles? Normally, you will think of wonton mee. Today, let me introduce you another type of the Chinese noodle. Zhajiangmian in tomato sauce. Let's start! Looks delicious, right? I can't wait to taste it. Let's eat now.
Let's eat first. Let the noodles absorb the sauce.
Want to have a bite?
Oh my god, it's so delicious until I can't use the words to describe it. You must try yourself. Trust me, you need to cook this. Remember, Zhajiangmian in tomato sauce is different from the ordinary Zhajiangmian. You must try this. Wow, looks tempting, right? Delicious.
Follow me, eating various food at home.